Hey, everybody.
Hey, everybody. Hey. Hey, fam.
All right.
No, we're going to use that. So let us tell you about... No.
Hey, fam.
I would say hey, fam. You'd never notice that.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Never heard you say
Take
that.
one. You've never heard me say hey, fam.
Hey, kiddos, you say all the time.
Hey, fam, if you've heard me say hey, fam, when we open this, please, please, please comment, because this one, this gentleman, this genius, as we call him,
Thank you.
has never heard me say hey, fam. And you know how many times he reads through or goes through stuff to do the editing? To get me out of it? Me doing my... to get me out of doing my stupid stuff? Ask him.
No, I
So
don't
please
edit that out.
put comment
Okay,
down below how
can-
many times you've seen... We are not cutting this. Comment how many times you've seen... I've said, hey, fam. Take
Okay.
two.
Had to like those, didn't you?
Keep the bugs away. Hey, fam.
Are we going to do that again?
Hey, kiddos.
That's what you always say.
Oh, my word. Hey, kiddos.
You see?
Jeff,
Hey,
move
guys.
on.
Hey, guys. Welcome to another episode.
Of my bucket list day. I'm Joe.
And I'm Jeff. So today is all about flexibility. How flexible are you? Joe, we know you're very flexible.
Thank God my feet are clean.
I don't know. Let me see.
Yeah, they're clean.
Clean. Put
Well,
it,
did we really just look at my feet on camera? Of
Yeah.
course they're clean. Just take a shot.
put it in the sky again.
No, I'm not doing that.
I want to see how flexible you are.
You just saw it.
You put
All
it
right,
behind
so-
your ears.
Y'all don't need to see that. Because if it did, it's going to hurt, first of all. And then it's going to
hurt
hurt
me.
you as well. Yeah. So here's the deal. It's been, I'm going to go on. It's
Go on.
been a, go ahead and tell them what it's been. It's been chaotic is putting it nicely.
Okay, so
the
let me
weather has
Take this
not
person
worked.
who can't get a sentence put together and put it all out there for
The
you.
weather has not cooperated.
Yes.
Our slides have not cooperated. What else hasn't cooperated? I don't know. Campgrounds. What else could we have? Mudslides. Nothing.
Floods.
Nothing. Floods. Snow, rain, snow, sleet. Nothing has cooperated. He doesn't
Okay.
cooperate.
Let me try to make sense of what she's talking about.
Dramatic.
Okay.
Last few weeks.
So right now we are supposed to be 2 states away from here. And we are still in Montana.
And there's Glacier National Park, by the way.
And yes,
Beautiful.
we're just outside of Glacier.
I'm going to show them. Look.
Honey,
Oh, he's going to edit that.
I am.
He's going to edit that now. Come on. Ow. Getting bit.
So anyway,
This
we were
is
supposed to be...
a one take, by the way.
I know, but
Okay.
you keep interrupting
This
me.
is a one take. It's going out the way it is.
No edits. So we're supposed to be a couple states away, but we had an issue.
Or
And-
two. Or three,
or two. First of all, the weather was horrible.
as you all know.
We came here to ride our bikes up to Logan Pass on Road to the Sun.
And we floated up Road to the Sun for a minute.
Yeah, it, as you all know, it had been raining heavily in the area. And needless to say, a lot of that was closed. But there's
After
hope.
trenching around in the mud,
Yeah, we might be able to do that here in a couple days.
we're hoping. And why are we still here, you ask?
Well, let me get into that. So, flexibility means you have to change your plans often when things happen. For
Like that.
example,
And how easy is that to do? First of all,
our slide out in the living room
That
that
was-
was replaced 2 months ago.
right. After waiting several months.
Yeah, after waiting with Grand Design several months to get it Mobile Tech out here to repair it. They didn't do a very good job repairing it.
Can I show them what it looks like right now while we're all set up?
No. You're going to try to slide it out?
No.
What are we going to do?
Let me show you what it looks like.
Oh, right now?
It's in.
It's in.
100%. Yep. So, oops.
And
Sorry.
I'm not allowed to edit?
No editing. Sorry, guys. But
Sorry, guys.
That's the best we got. Does not work anymore.
So the slide, what happened is they didn't install it properly. They didn't align it. There's about a 1/4-inch gap on the bottom versus the top. And over a few uses, what happened is the tracks tried to separate from each other.
Right.
And then it broke
Snap.
the little shim in there, not shim, the little the guide, and now jammed up and now it won't go in or out. So we were at, excuse me, we were at a mobile tech shop. They looked at it and said, yeah, we can fix that. So we've reached out, hopefully to get the parts here in a couple of weeks. So
here we sit.
We're here for a couple of weeks so they can repair it. You might ask, why are you going to wait there? Why don't you go down the road and have it repaired there?
What a funny question.
Because the shop that we found here in Kalispell, Glacier RV Repair Shop, we went in there to have some other work done, which we can't tell you about yet.
Shh, it's a secret.
But we really gained a lot of trust with those guys. They really know what they're doing. And I will say it's probably, at least in my experience, our experience, the best RV shop in the country.
Listen, and if they could work on anything else and everything else, you'd still go to them, regardless, because they take such meticulous care, and I mean it. They have such pride in their work, and what a wonderful thing to find, isn't it? The truth, you know, we hope to be masters of our crafts, right? Most of the time. Some of us dabble in things, but we all have passions, and Jeff is very passionate about, you know, the electronics and a lot of his visions that he sees for in the engineer world, I guess.
Well, and the stuff I design.
Right, and I'm just as passionate about whatever it is, whether stuff I design.
What she's trying to say is these guys clearly have a lot of passion about what they do.
And self-respect in what
pride
they
in
do.
their work.
Right.
They're very good. Andrew, we'll put information down below here how to get a hold of them. If you're ever in this area and need something done on your rig, they are your go-to people.
Even if you're close to this place, call Andrew, tell him we sent you, please.
So let's move on.
No, I don't.
The reason we were held up...
Go on!
The reason we were held up there is it took a little longer to get something done than we had anticipated.
Correct.
And we discovered the slide was all messed up.
Well, also, some of the parts that were sent to us were not functioning as well.
Correct. So, anyway, we're decided, because of the cost of fuel, we're not going to drive all the way over to those states that we had planned and then drive all the way back. But there was another factor that helped us with the decision.
So let
the
me,
RV
let
park
me
we were
chime
going to,
in here and say, I hear Jeff on the phone, something about, well, wait a minute, so we'll have to move for the 2 weeks that we're there, we'll have to move from one spot to the other? Oh, okay. So he hangs up the phone, and I go, what do you mean we'll have to move? I'm thinking, you know, maybe they promised a spot to somebody else. What exactly does that mean?
The water main or something broke at the RV park, and they said that they think it's going to be 2 weeks to repair. Don't know what type of problems they had. All I know is they'll put us in a spot, and they had 2 spots left in the entire park that had water. So they're not letting those people or anybody camp in it. You just have to back into that site, fill your tank, pull back out, go back to your site. And you have to do this, and everybody has to kind of cooperate and do that
Everybody
together.
In the park, right, has to do that.
So, and this is a 300 site park.
And
so
how
you can
many
imagine,
miles? Sorry.
Yeah. Sorry. There's a plane taking off.
How many miles away?
2 states away.
2 states away that was.
So we decided cancel that one. And with all the parts that are going on, we decided we're going to stay in this area for another 2 weeks. And
hope that the parts get here sooner, which is not likely.
So what is the other thing that we came across that was flexible besides the weather? Oh my goodness.
Right.
As you all know, we put out a little video, Yellowstone. We feel for all the people that had reservations Yellowstone.
And that got stuck there, and
all of the damage that was done there. And we were there just a week prior to everything being destroyed.
Right.
And that was really sad. So we had a similar thing here in Glacier with
3
all
times.
the rain and snow. Not that they closed the park. Well, they did close the road a couple times because it did flood over. But the dam that they have here, they had that wide open for days and days and days just to help keep the flooding out of the park. But the problem is it started flooding all the RV parks along the river here.
Right.
So the whole Flathead area or valley, they had to shut down and evacuate everybody.
Right.
So...
And we never really did get to do the Road to the Sun. Why? Because we thought it would be advantageous to get here early before they opened it to the cars. Well, guess what?
Yeah.
We already talked about that.
Yeah.
15 to 20 feet of snow.
Yeah.
It wasn't happening. So we got up, we got a mile, we come home. We get up, we get 2 miles, we come home.
Yeah. So anyway, we're hoping to get that in the next day or so, be able to ride all the way up to Logan's Pass.
But we're loving life.
We are. And we are going to try those new e-bikes out on this ride.
Yes, we are.
So you're going to see that.
Yep, and give an honest review.
Yep. And I think that's it, but we're stuck here now.
We are.
I will say, if you're going to be stuck,
That's what I was just going to say.
this is a place to be stuck because it is
Listen.
gorgeous. And Whitefish,
Yep.
beautiful little town. Kalispell, great little town.
What's the name of this little RV park?
Oh, yeah, this is very nice. No, we don't want to give the secret out, do we?
I will, because I
All
love...
right, we'll give it out.
We'll put the name up somewhere.
It's called Rocky Mountain High RV Park.
Listen, don't tell anybody.
It's
This
a
is the
cute
best
little
kept
gem.
secret. Look at our background, our backyard. It's nothing but a beautiful field for me to hit golf balls all day long.
And if you're a Good Sam's member, you get a great discount here.
Yeah.
I will say it's probably the most cost-effective park.
Cost efficient.
Or cost-efficient, best value in
Clean.
the entire Glacier and Flathead Valley area.
And you can see all of Glacier National Park behind us, all of the mountains. It's
Yep.
clean. It's a lot of property, so we're all spaced out.
Yeah,
It's
a
lovely.
great little place.
Yeah, we love it.
So we're going to be here for a couple more weeks. I know we've said that,
Hang
so you're not
tight.
tired of hearing it. So,
But come
all right.
see us, because we'll be here.
That's it.
Yep.
So don't forget to do all the likes, subscribes, and everything else.
Click Monster,
And
leave
be that click
comments,
monster.
please.
Actually, we should do this correctly. We got to do the
Like, subscribe,
and
ring the bell. I haven't done
But
that
like,
in a
that's
long time.
really, really important.
Yes, it is.
Likes, and
And
subscribes.
subscribe.
Did you know we had 178,000 people watch the last month that were not subscribers?
Really?
So if you're one of those people that
We
keep
love
watching us but
you.
don't subscribe,
But subscribe.
please, it's free. Hit the subscribe
Free.
button.
Free is so free. It's fun.
So this Sunday we are going to be finishing up our glacier trip. Well, hopefully we might add more video.
The
to it.
video we're going to be finishing
There might
up.
be a part 3 to all of that.
Yeah,
But we'll do that.
from
so,
the area. And I wasn't on video last week. I want to wish all the dads a very, very blessed and happy Father's Day. Belated, sorry.
You're
happy
late for
Father's
that.
Day. Oh,
You're too late.
all right, I'm
it's,
done.
It's here and gone.
We're done. We're done.
All right.
See ya. Cut.
Have a great bucket list day.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
All right. It's in the can.
Da, 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 da.
It's still recording.
Ow, my foot just went into the bucket.
Did you burn your footsies?
I put my toes
You burn your toesies in a
in
little
the
bucket?
bucket. Yes,
Aw.
son of it.